All right, welcome aboard, guys. Today we're going to go back out to Oatmeal. I mean, hopefully this time I get all the pieces right and we're done. Well, I'm pretty sure by this weekend I'll have to mow the grass again. Oh no, there's a mailbox on the side of the road. I don't know, should we stay on the road maybe? Oh, no. Okay, whatever, peace and harmony. Oh, yeah, I still haven't done that, have I? All right, so I still haven't put... Why are we going 8 miles an hour here? Okay. Inman driver, foot on accelerator, see if maybe we can kind of come close to going 25 miles an hour, which is what you said the limit is. Now that I pushed him up, he's like, oh, okay. Other than right now, we're looking straight at a truck who's parked on the road. Okay, that wasn't hard, was it?
In 500 feet, turn right onto American Drive.
What? What's he doing? I mean, is that his yard? Says the guy who mows other people's yards, but anyway. All right, whatever, peace and harmony. So it's just another routine
now turn right onto American Drive.
drive. Oh, whoops, I didn't put that back away. So he started out going down Palmer, which was curious. Actually, I would think Palmer would probably be a little bit better, but
in 500 feet, turn right onto Boggy Ford Road.
I'm so used to going down 1431, I hate to change my habits.
Now turn right onto Boggy Ford Road.
I was going to say there's no rain for today, but looking at the clouds around, well, I guess there's, I think it was a 20% chance, so we'll see. You know, I fully scanned twice in the time it took for you to look and decide to go. Yes, I scanned to the left, I scanned to the right, I even scanned across to the other side. Dink. Dink, dink,
now
dink.
Turn right onto Oatmeal Drive. In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
400 feet, you say, huh? Well, you said 500, but whatever.
Now your destination is on the right.
Oh my goodness. Signal's on. You're gonna try to figure out how to park here? Okay. A little accelerator and move them up just a touch. Very good. Okay, we don't really need to have that going off. Okay, 36.8 miles, 57 minutes. What? 195.6 watt hours per mile. Yep. Okay, and today we're going to use trip for the overall trip. Okay. Yes, I used the right turn signal a few times, pushed the car back into the outside lane. Not that it was not absolutely needed, but because I feel more comfortable being in the outside lane, especially if I'm not the fastest car around. Right? Let the fast cars go in the inside lane. Just let them go by. There was a spot where I did do a brake on, FC off to go around we had just turned from 1431 onto the I-35 frontage road. We were following a dump truck that was probably fully loaded. And so he was going pretty slow. So brake on FC off, whip the wheel left, whip it back right, and go by. Bam. I don't know why FSD doesn't want to do that. Why you want to follow the dump truck? Yeah, whatever. I mean, that's not really a grade problem. It's just a Ray human factors issue. But there you go. It's actually good today. That sounds like it's usually not. But, I mean, we always lose track of how good it actually is. Okay, for what it's worth, BIGRAY1 has learned how to park in front of the Oatmeal house. Actually, I pushed the accelerator just to move him up a little bit, but if I'd left him right where he was, it would have been perfect. But pretty cool. All right, welcome aboard, guys. Where am I? Yeah, push the button, Ray. What is it? It's 91 degrees. It's 12:22. So just over an hour, but part of the time was spent picking up trash. Anyway, so the light that's outside the garage door now works. Yeehaw. And I ended up not using any of the electrical connectors I found. I ended up using the old you twist them together and you twist the thing on. That's what I used. Now, a lot of people say that's not the right way to do it. I don't know. I tried the butt slice, but the butt slice wouldn't hold the one side on. Actually, at Walmart they had a crimping set, which is probably what I really wanted, but it was the whole set, and they didn't have spare connectors. So I'm not sure what to make of that. Okay, whatever. On the flip side, that's probably exactly what I wanted. But whatever. I got it put on. The guy had replaced, I think he replaced the, what do you call the holder for the electrical outlet. Because it was at an angle, and like, it shouldn't be an angle, it should be straight up and down. Okay, whatever, peace and harmony. Oh, we came into the inside lane, we're going to the outside lane because we're going to turn right, okay? Brilliant. All right. So anyway, with all that talk, at least it works. I think I finally figured out how to do. There's one where the two wires go in on the same side of the connector, and what it is supposed to be a metal plate, and that metal plate acts as a transfer mechanism. Now that I've taken it all apart, I didn't know that before, but whatever. Like I said, I went with the twist-ons. Just I don't want to play with it anymore. That's right. The power company guys should be really busy. Well, I guess that's PEC. Is it? Yeah, it would be. I think so. Firehouse Electric Co-op. Because Firehouse, at least in some parts of 620, they come all the way out to 620. Not all of 620, but parts of it. I think it depends upon what the city had annexed at the time they were deciding that. I mean, whatever. It's good. It's all good. Oh. Oh, so while I was about to leave, this Mustang was a V8, obviously. Came down the street and it was a pop, 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 pop. You're like, really? You're burning gas when you're doing that. We could go. I don't think you get over into the left lane, but you can go. And so right after this pickup should be a spot you can get into.
Take the Interstate 35 north ramp on the left.
Yes, Mr. Toyota, recognizing that we're going to get over, backed off a little bit, gave the space. I mean, the space is already there, but he gave a little extra space. Because you never know. Whoa, whoa, let's not run into this truck. Sure, I'll be glad when they finish. Well, I won't be here when they finish. Or I won't be working at the Oatmeal house anymore. I hope not. But man, yeah, some of these intersections are like, whoa, that's dangerous. But it's under construction, right? That's the way it is in Texas. It's under construction. You shouldn't be there if you think it's dangerous. When we're done, it'll be safe. Kind of, sort of, anyway. It's going to take a while. Come on, Lincoln. Rode through all those gears. Meantime, FSD got tired of waiting for you. I don't think this is to his advantage, but what do I know? FSD has a way of scaring people. But that's a Lincoln. Better watch out, man. You're crazy. And we're about to turn, so although not here. Where are they? Right in here, right? Yep, they are. So we're going to turn on this.
Now turn right. Now your destination is on the left.
Oh, I didn't do an interruption, did I? So where are you going to park today? Right here? Really? I'll back up just a little bit to fit. Oh, he's backing into a spot. But that's not a spot, dude. Okay. Sorry, it's just funny, man. It's funny. All right, so 17.4 miles, 24 minutes, 234.4 watt hours per mile. Okay, let's pull this over here. Oh, because we're parked. If I hit the brake. All right, so over here is the line for the left side parking space. Over here is the line for the right side parking space. And there's just a touch of the line sticking out in front of us. He didn't line up quite right. But at least he picked the spot and went to it. No, I've seen him do a better job than this. Okay? So I'm not going to claim that's great. Oh, I was going to take a picture of it. Too bad. But that's pretty funny, right? But anyway, there you go. Other than having to every once in a while do a left or a right turn signal to switch lanes, FSD did pretty good. He does, from my feeling, at times he's a little slow to react to brake lights. I don't know why, just the feeling. But whatever, it's doing good, right? All right, onward, upward charge. All right, welcome aboard, guys. Let's see if we can figure out how to put this in gear. Ding ding. Is there somebody there? You sure that's far enough? Maybe you turn like a mile 3.
Now turn right onto East Whitestone Boulevard.
Yeah, kind of hard to see beyond these bushes, huh? Yes, nice little lunch at Firehouse Subs. And they were nice enough to let me take a fire cap or hat, helmet, whatever, for a giant turkey, or medium turkey, I think she changed her name to. Whatever, it's just funny to listen to her sometimes, right? And I got a Fanta fruit punch, I think is what it is. Different.
Turn left onto American Drive.
Welcome back, guys. I was just thinking about splice connectors, or butt splice connectors. And actually, Robbie Layton had a solderless
now
one,
turn
I
left
think.
onto American Drive.
That's probably exactly what I needed. Anyway, whatever, peace and army, it's done. And welcome to American. Or welcome de Americanas.
500 feet, turn left onto Santa Rosa Avenue.
Yes, welcome to American Drive.
Now turn left onto Santa Rosa Avenue.
The grass is long.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Oh wow, it's actually going 22 down here. He's improved.
Now your destination is on the left.
Oh, and he's turning into the driveway like so he means it. Okay. Yes, I am using the accelerator to push him just a little bit further close to the door so the garage door will open. But, you know, I hope that's not violating anybody's rules. All right, 18.8 miles, 32 minutes, 218.8 watt hours per mile. Yeah, price of having air conditioning on. All right, what'd you say it was? It's a trip. Okay, so a trip is 73.2 miles, 16.6 watt hours per mile, 213.0 watt hours per mile. All right, 213. So we're better than 4. What is that, around maybe 4.7 miles per kilowatt hour? 4.7, 4.8, somewhere around that neighborhood, which is pretty good. FSD wise, you know what? I don't think he did anything really stupid. There's some things I go like, why do you want to do that? But that's the difference between my preference and Mr. FSD's preference. Right? Coming back from Firehouse subs, he finally started getting more into, you know, we do want to move down the road. Let's go. So that was good. So there was one place that I remember I did a break on FC off, and it was because we're behind a heavily loaded dump truck, and he was going to row through every single gear he had in his gearbox. Yes, he was going slow. And we did a turn. Did he have to stop? He might have had to stop. We might have had to stop to do a merge over. Okay, I'll give you that. But yeah, it was, other than that, it was fine. Sorry, I'm just looking at my garage door light and noticing it's a much more modern design than the one over at Oatmeal. The one at Oatmeal is a more carriage house design. Anyway, so there's that. There was a few places where I did turn signals. There was more right turn signals because I wanted to push them into the outside lane. Why are we taking up the inside lane? But it's just the way it is. I think where that leaves me, and I can't tell you how much it pains me to say this, I think it leaves me with an A-. Was it perfect? No, it wasn't perfect, but it was actually pretty good. Okay, onward upward charge.